Good morning, friends. Let me welcome all of you to this global conference, Romancing the Rail. My name is Vinu Mathur. I am the president of the Rail Enthusiast Society of India. And it gives me great pleasure to welcome each one of you, speakers and participants, to this meeting. Uh, a small introduction to myself. I am a professional railwayman. I joined the Indian Railways in 1971, worked with them for 37 years. After leaving the railways for 5 years, I was looking after a small public-private partnership of setting a port connectivity rail project. And for the last 7 years, I've been associated with Japanese consultants on the bullet train project in India. So that's a little bit about me, but I'm not here as a professional railwayman. I'm here as president of a society of rail enthusiasts. A little bit about our society. Our society was set up 5 years ago, really to provide a forum and a space for rail enthusiasts to interact amongst themselves and to promote various activities. Our first act was to bring about, to publish a journal for rail enthusiasts. And for the last 5 years, we have been bringing out this quarterly journal every year. It makes fairly good reading and has a large number of colorful photographs inside. We have also been organizing trips for railwaymen to various sites in India. For example, we visited the oldest narrow gauge line in the country, which unfortunately now has been converted to broad gauge. We have gone to a bridge site on the Jammu Kashmir line where the tallest bridge in the world is being constructed. And our last visit before the pandemic was to Kharagpur, where they were steaming up an old Garrett locomotive of the erstwhile Bengal Nagpur Railway. We have also been organizing trips, particularly our Calcutta chapter, walks in various workshops and railway localities. We have been organizing quizzes for children, and we are trying to promote railways amongst love for the railways amongst the younger generation. So that these are some of our objectives and what we have been doing. This is our first effort at conducting a global conference. I would like to express my appreciation and gratitude to the many speakers from all over the world who have agreed to talk to us during this 2-day conference. I'm sure it's going to be a tremendous experience sharing as well as beneficial to many of us in India who are trying to promote the railways. Lastly, I would like to express my gratitude to the participants. We have been simply overwhelmed by the number of people who have registered for the conference. A total of 350 participants have registered for the conference, and I do hope most of them at some point in time will join our sessions. With this very brief introduction to society, I think we all look forward to a very enjoyable 2 days of learning experiences from all over the world. I think we are covering almost all continents of the globe. So welcome once again, and do hope you will enjoy these 2 days. Thank you.